To set up Do Not Disturb mode on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, first we need to open a settings on our phone, then we can navigate to the notifications right here. That way we will be able to find Do Not Disturb mode. And here we can turn it on or off. Also, there's option right here below which allows you to change behavior when you click on that switch. So you can use the until I turn it off, which basically allows you to just click on it to turn it on and off. Then there's different options like set it for the preset amount of time with the hour, or ask every time for which option you want to use. In this case, I'm going to go with the first one and keep it like that. Then there's the schedule, so you can schedule your Do Not Disturb mode to work automatically at certain hours and days. You can click on the plus button and then adjust the options right here. Then when it's active, it will automatically toggle during that time. Next is which things will be allowed when you're in Do Not Disturb mode, and there's calls and messages. So you can manage, for example, which specific contacts can bypass Do Not Disturb mode and normally show up when they call you. So you can add specific contacts and also adjust settings below, like specific things. So we can set it to all, which will basically allow anyone to call you when you're in Do Not Disturb mode. You can go with contacts only, favorite contacts only, or none. Then there's repeat callers, so if somebody tries to reach you at least 2 times during 15 minutes mark, then your phone will ring normally. And messages allow you to also adjust which of the contacts or whatever can reach you in Do Not Disturb mode, but for messages. Now, next thing is app notifications, and you can manage and add apps that will also be able to bypass Do Not Disturb mode. Then we have alarms and other sounds and system sounds actually. So you can enable or disable alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, calendar events, or reminders. And that is basically everything. We also have hide notifications, and you can manage how notifications will be displayed if they are allowed. And yep, that is everything. Thanks so much for watching. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing.